Hello mga ka-blocks, this is Sir Jet, ang inyong Batanggenyong coder. Ang topic natin today is Visual Studio Code, how to download and how to install. Please do watch the video. Okay, open tayo ng ating Google Chrome. I-type natin sa search bar, Visual Studio Code. Click natin na etong download and then pili lang tayo kung alin ang ating meeting app for Windows, Mac, or Linux. For this time, gamitin natin yung for Windows application. Click natin itong Windows. Okay, let's wait na matapos yung ating downloading. Okay, that's it. We have downloaded the Visual Studio Code application for Windows. Okay, let's do the installation of VS Code. Pwede natin i-click etong download icon ng Google Chrome. Makikita natin yung actual application, or we can click the folder. Okay, once nag-open yung ating folder, right-click natin etong VS installer and then choose Run as Admin. Click Yes. Click OK. Click Yes. Accept. Create desktop icon. Next. And install. Okay. Let's wait na matapos yung ating installation. Okay. We have now installed the VS Code sa ating machine.